This car is dying in the heat. The range has gone down by at least a quarter, maybe half. The ceiling, oh my God, you could bake a quiche. It's just awful. All day long, the sun is just hitting me in the face. I'm sweating all day. I left this water in the car earlier. This is like, I could put a tea bag in and just, it would boil. Like, it's bad. It's bad. I don't know why all electric cars have the glass roof, but it's stupid. I don't think they tested it in Vegas, that's for sure. You know, this has been a real disappointment. I did not expect this. I sort of had an idea that maybe the glass roof might be a little difficult, but it's ridiculous that they don't even have an option for a cover to cover up this glass. And I mean, literally, people, literally, I don't think I've ever been in a car that struggled so hard to have the air. You can hear the air conditioners going. I couldn't even turn it off for this video. It's so hot here. But this glass roof does not help. The fact that there's no cover for it does not help. I think that Elon was just being cheap, and I don't get it. I mean, I'm frustrated, and I went online and everybody in Vegas is talking about it who has a Tesla. And the lines now are super long because everybody has to keep recharging their car. I normally recharge once a day because I do Uber. This is my third time today recharging. Think about that. Now, mind you, it's still much cheaper than gas, but it's inconvenient as FDFF. So anyway, just thought I'd share. That's all.